Question 5 now. To qualify for an interview, Holly must score 75% on a 60-point test. How many points must she get correct to score 75% exactly? Alright. So, what do you think? What exactly do we need to find here? Right? It's how many points she needs to score out of 60. So 60 is the highest amount. So if she got 100% on the test, what would her score be? If she scored 100%, her score would be 60 points out of 60, right? So how many points out of 60 will give 75%, right? So there's a couple of ways of doing this. Let's do it the kind of formula method. Percent out of 100 equals the part over the whole, right? So can you fill out this formula here? So the percent amount would be what? 75 out of 100 would be the part out of the whole. What would the whole be? What would the part be? Wouldn't the whole be 60? That would be the full points, the total amount. And we're looking for, aren't we looking for the part? That's the part we need. What number out of 60 is the same thing as 75%? 75 is out of 100. So that's what we're asking here, right? And we can use our cross multiplication to solve this again. So 100 times x, 100x equals 75 times 60. Right? And let's see. One thing you can do, by the way, is you can go ahead and divide by 100 right away, because these numbers are being multiplied and we can cross cancel right away. For example, so we can get x equals, right, and I can go 10 into 60 gives 6, cross off a 0, 10 to 100 gives 10, right, cross off a 0, right. I can go 5 into 10 goes twice, 5 into 7 goes once, remainder 2, 5 into 25 goes 5 times. Now I have 15 here times 6. So I'm going to write this out just to make it look more clear, but 15 times 6 over 2 is what I have, right? And now I can go 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 6 goes 3 times, and that is x equals 15 times 3. What's 15 times 3? 45, right? So how many points must she get correct to score to 75%? 45 points, right? That's just a simpler way of solving this. Of course, you could multiply 75 times 60 and then divide by 100. You get the same thing, right? Of course, there's other ways of doing this. I mean, really, what we're looking for is what we're asking really. What is 75% of 60? I mean, that's what we need to know, right? So I can just solve that directly without using the formula if I wanted to. So the way to solve it directly is you would convert the percentage to a decimal, right? How would you convert this percentage to a decimal? Move the decimal space where? 2 spaces to the left to get 0.75, right? Or 0.75. What does of mean? Of means multiply, right? Multiply by 60. So 0.75 times 60 will give you the answer, right? I'm going to go do it this way, 0.75, right? So 0 times 5 is 0, put down a 0, placeholder 0, multiply by 6. 6 times 5, 30, carry the 3, 6 times 7, 42, and 3, 45. I get 4500. And that's not the answer because there are 2 decimal places in the question. So there's going to be 2 decimal places in the answer. 45.00 or 45 is the answer. Okay. So that's another way of doing it.